Okay, in this video, we're gonna be going to my in-laws' house. Actually, my wife's grandpa's house had just passed away. We're gonna go pick up a Hutch that's going to my in-laws' house, and I need a truck to transport it. Enter the cybertruck. So we're on our way right now to go pick that up with the boys from the Tesla channel. And this is basically truck stuff. So let's go. We're going to pick up that Hutch over at the grandpa's house. Take over my in-laws. We got the boys from the Tesla channel here all ready to rock and roll. We need some extra muscle. Let's do this. All right, so this is grandpa's house and we're pulling in to grab the Hutch. Let's do it. All right, so this is pretty simple. You call it a Hutch, looks like a small dresser. What are you gonna put in this? Yeah, looks like they got it. Did it fall out of it? All right, so we're gonna pop this in the truck. Let's go.
Turn it the other way. Nice little good.
Pretty cool. You want us to take a drawers too, Dan?
I got the drawers.
But we could take them since we're going. So.
You gotta move in and tie yourself.
All right, so we're here dropping off the dresser. Not a super huge load, but big enough where we needed a truck. Maybe you could fit that in the back of your SUV, I'm imagining. Long ways, that probably would have fit. But we have a truck, so we're doing truck stuff. Let's go. Off to lunch we go. All right, guys, that's the end of our video. Thanks for watching. We're gonna continue to do other videos in a playlist called Truck Stuff. So whenever we're gonna transport, tow, push, or whatever, and it needs a truck to do what we gotta do, we will continue to film and bring it to you guys. And it's gonna be called Truck Stuff. And then you guys can agree or disagree with it. But that's what we got the truck for. And we're excited to continue filming and do more truck stuff. So thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Mr. Balloon Dog.